Did you know an estate sale worker found the same typewriter at 17 different houses where elderly people had died? Sarah Chen thought it was just a strange coincidence at first. Every house had the machine sitting in a corner, always with a half-finished letter starting, "I remember the corner now." The families insisted their loved ones never shared these childhood memories before, but the letters contained impossibly detailed stories about talking to empty corners as children. Then Sarah discovered something that made her blood freeze. The typewriter was typing by itself at 3 in the morning, continuing the letters with information only the dead person could know. Every house had that same corner where neighbors reported feeling watched, even after the owner died. When Sarah finally touched the keys, memories flooded back. Her own forgotten corner encounters from childhood. The machine began typing her suppressed experiences in real time. She realized the typewriter doesn't just record memories. It harvests them from those ready to remember, preparing them for something that's been waiting patiently for their return.